How to fix Gothic 1 Remake is crashing on Steam. So first you will need to go to your library and then right click on the game and open up the properties, and in the general tab launch options box you'll need to add -dx11 and then go to installed files and verify the integrity of game files. And once this is completed, the next step is to open up your browser and head to this link, which is in the description below. And from the second table here, you'll need to get the 86 installer and the 64 and install both of them for the redistributables. And once you finish the installation, this will require a computer restart. Now, right after the restart, you'll also need to check if you have the latest GPU driver update. So you can either use NVIDIA app or AMD software depending on which GPU you're running. And from drivers here, you will need to check for the latest driver update and install it. Now, all you need to do is right click on Steam and run it as admin before launching the game. And then just launch the game from your library, and that should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.